I have a structural inspection work today. I built this tensile structure about 10 years ago. There's some problem with the fabric fittings that I need to inspect. So I will use the drone, fly over the roof there and start to inspect it. And then I will use the LiDAR scanner to scan the structure for the deformation and movement. To be able to fly a drone in Thailand, you will need 3 documents. First is the drone registration from NBT, National Broadcasting and Telecommunication. Second is the drone operator license from the Civil Aviation Authority. The last one is the drone insurance. For a foreigner who wants to fly a drone in Thailand, you can get all 3 documents done in any drone shop in Thailand, and it will take about 2 weeks to get all the documents in PDF format. There was a warning that I'm closer to the airport, but the drone did allow me to fly. The drone is very easy to fly. Just point the circle in the goggles with this controller and the drone will just go in that direction. There's been a report from the customer that some of the metal hoop has been fallen out. So I will fly the drone closer to the edge of the roof and look for the part that are missing, like this one here, and also this one. I can see the severe corrosion on the metal hoop. Even though it is galvanized, this could cause from the galvanic corrosion. Some part of the steel frame is in contact with the main building, and the galvanized part is given the electrons, so it sacrifices the corrosion and rusts out more quickly than the other part. Especially the screw and nuts, it has a thin coating with the galvanized. This part really needs repairing. One of the corners is torn apart. This is the water tray system. Most of the rainwater is thrown into this tray and then pumped out. This drone has no zoom lens, so only way to get a good image is to fly closer to the structure. But I don't have any problem flying closer to the structure because the drone has a propeller guard and the size of the drone is very small. I'm going back to the parking lot. This is the place where I launched the drone. Our company do the maintenance for the tensile structure and fabric replacement. If you're interested, I put the contact information in the description. Thanks for watching.